This video guide is about removing pop-ups that are coming from the website downloadreadynow.com. downloadreadynow.com. This is the website that now attacks Google Chrome browser. This particular pop-up tries to encourage people into downloading and installing the unwanted browser extension. The extension is called AdBlock Max. The developers of this extension indicate that by installing it you'll be able to block ads, but the point is that this particular extension is spread through a lot of tricky messages. For instance, it may be spread through fake software or browser update alerts. So there is something really misleading in all these pop-ups, and therefore you should not trust them. Furthermore, the majority of extensions like that may collect some of the browsing-related data and may even grant these data to third parties illegally. Also, there are a lot of extensions that promise blocking ads, but instead they show their own ads not related to the website that you visit. Therefore, please disregard these pop-ups by the site downloadreadynow.com and do not install anything that they actually suggest. If this extension was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, you should urgently undertake the measures to get rid of this extension from the Google Chrome browser. Now I'll explain to you how to remove it. Access the menu of the browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, carefully disable and remove this extension from the Google Chrome browser. This is the free solution to fix your browser. Now, to make sure that your computer is free of any other hidden threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start carefully researching your device in order to detect and delete all other threats which could possibly still remain on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.